What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're heading down and we're going to start putting the Supra back together. And by start, I mean start, because this thing is in a million pieces. All the trims are off, all the door handles are off, mirrors are off, lights are out, etc, etc. So it's a lot of work we have to do, and I do have half the parts back at home, so I need to get the car back home before I can completely finish it. But you guys will see it all done in one video. It's going to be like, you know, it'd be like that for you guys, it'd be like a month for me. But let's head down and start doing it. Now, this isn't going to be a specific how-to. I'm going to speed it all up for you so it's nice and entertaining and quick. You don't have to sit there for 45 minutes watching me put a car back together slowly. But if you do want to see something, just slow it down and you'll be able to see exactly like the process to putting it back together. So essentially just do it backwards and you'll be able to pull it apart. So let's head down and get this thing put back together.
Told my girl to pipe down, need it right now. Lately I've been going till the lights out. Got my face up and my eyes down. Shawty, now you know what this is like now. Now I got a big drop top and I'm rolling. And I told my girl I'ma be up till the morning. Feeling like I'm 2-3 cause you know I'm zoning. Shawty got a wave, we been chilling by the ocean. Now I got a big drop top and I'm rolling. And I told my girl I'ma be up till the morning. Feeling like I'm 2-3 cause you know I'm zoning. Shawty got a wave, we been chilling by the ocean. I told her my way, what can I say? Ooh, I got them looking at me sideways. I can't take no days off, they know I can't. Lately I've been in a different mind state, and I got them tripping. I've been making hits, I don't got no time for misses. Shawty want a ring, yeah, she tryna be a missus. I've been so ahead, I don't think y'all really get it. They been taking L's, they can't see how I've been winning. And I got a drip, so they see me making waves. They don't even see how many chances I done gave. I've been working hard, dog, I think I need a raise. Said I couldn't do it, but I told my girl to pipe down. Need it right now. Lately I've been going till the lights out. Got my face up and my eyes down. Shawty, now you know what this is like.
Okay guys, little info section here. Now, if you look up, you see that rod there that's on a 45? See, it's got a plastic clip just above it. Sorry about the focusing, this is gonna struggle. Now, when I put everything back together, sometimes my door wouldn't unlock with the central locking. I had to get inside and open it. Now what actually happened is that rod, when you open the door, it gets pushed down. So I actually installed that with the door handle out. So you can imagine the door handle was like kind of up here. I've clipped it in, pushed the door handle in, and that rod's been slightly pushed down. So it's like, if you've ever tried to unlock your door with the door handle open. You know, like if, say, I don't know, your missus has gone to unlock the door as you're opening it, and it doesn't unlock your door, but it unlocks the rest of the car. Essentially, it was doing that the whole time. So just be aware, if you're putting these in, that can happen. My passenger side, I was lucky that didn't happen, but my driver's side, it did. So I had a quick phone call to my brother ProShine, and he said that's probably what it is. 100% is what it was. Thanks, brother. All right, bit echoey in here, guys, sorry. Had to start the Supra and pull it out. Kind of gonna pick up where we left off. I put the whole car back together, whole car, except the back end, because I noticed that my seat belts were really cooked, and I thought, oh well, if I'm gonna put them back in, well, and I thought, well, the plastics that cover those are the first ones I have to put back in to put the whole back of the car back together. So I went and bought some new seat belts. So we're gonna put them in and then put the rest of the back of the interior in. So let's jump in and continue.
I'm just gonna trust what you're saying. You never planned. Came through the valley, we walked through the fire. Your grace is amazing. I trust what you're saying. You never planned. I know that you work every trial. Feel good if I stay and be patient. I'm just gonna trust what you're saying. You never planned. Came through the valley, we walked through the fire. Your grace is amazing. I trust what you're saying. You never planned. I know that you work every trial. Feel good if I stay and be patient. Ooh, yeah, move up, yeah. You kicked out my feet, perfect love, yeah. Darkness and shadows gonna fall in the battle. I think your kingdom is come, yeah. I cannot run, yeah. Surrender, you fill up my cup, yeah. The reason to strive, yeah. You look me in the eye, I've been your son, yeah. I thought that I was going out my mind. I was lost, but then you came and saved my life. I had nothing, then you came and made it right. I'm just gonna trust what you're saying. You never planned. Came through the valley, we walked through the fire. Your grace is amazing. I trust what you're saying.
All right, and we are all back together with everything freshly wrapped. That looks so good. I just got to pop these little bad boys in. That'll take me 2 seconds. And oh man, this car has become everything I ever wanted it to be. Not gonna lie, can't wait till the wheels are on and I can show you guys the full reveal. Woo! All right, so that top line has actually been knocked. It's fine. It's just got super tightened. Well, not super tightened, just got tightened a little bit more. So to line it up like that, I had to loosen it. So I'm gonna undo that fitting, re-thread tape that and just put it back in all nice and lined up. I won't show you guys because that's boring. But if you want to check that out, check out my installing the air system video. Well, there's 3 of them, so you can enjoy. But yeah, that's it. That is it, boys and girls. She's back together. All right, so Supra is all back together. Really, really happy. New seat belts, everything's back in, all the wrapped parts back in, and it lined up perfectly. Really stoked. It took days and days and days, over a period of weeks to get this thing back together, because obviously a big chunk of it was in the shop when I was putting the door handles on, and like the door cards, things like that. And then the rest of the back end was actually all still at home, because I took all that out when I was at home. So yeah, short video, but it took me months to do it. All good. But yeah, it's all back together, all done. And yeah, I will be getting you guys the reveal video, I promise. I just don't want to give you guys a reveal video. I hope that wind isn't ruining this audio. I don't want to give you guys a reveal video until it's completely finished with the wheels. Now the wheels apparently are going to land in the UK now on the 26th of November, which then it'll be probably like another 10 days to get to me. And then obviously you've got to take it to the machine shop. They've got to pull them apart, take the centers to my powder coating guy. He's got to prep them and powder coat them, take them back. Then they've got to put them all back together, re-weld them, get new tires put on, and then they can go on the car, then I can give you the reveal. So hopefully before Christmas, it'll be a beautiful Christmas present for me, maybe a nice little one for you guys who are actually interested in the Supra. Even if you're not interested in the Supra, come and have a watch. You might find you enjoy them. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for coming along. Thank you for watching. If you've got any questions about all the in-depth stuff of putting it all back together, slow the video down, because I'm gonna put it all in, like, you know, time-lapse speed, but slow it down and you'll be able to see where I've taken bolts out, put them in, that sort of stuff. There was just so much, I didn't want to do a slow version because it would have been like an hour-long video and you guys would have got bored. So I hope it helps. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We are climbing to 1,000. Thanks, guys.